Imagine spending lakhs of rupees on a new industrial blower, transformer, or compressor. The equipment arrives without a scratch, but internally it has already been damaged because it was tilted during transportation. How can you prove that happened? That's where this small device, called the leaning label glass, comes in. In this video, I'll explain what it is, how it works, how to read it, and why it's so important for heavy industrial equipment. A leaning label glass is a mechanical tilt indicator attached to expensive equipment before shipment. Its purpose is to record whether the equipment was tilted beyond a safe angle during transportation. You'll commonly find it on centrifugal blowers, compressors, transformers, motors, pumps, electrical panels, pressure vessels. Many of these machines must remain upright during transport. Excessive tilting can cause hidden internal damage even if the outside looks perfectly fine. The label contains tiny steel balls inside specially designed channels. Before shipping, the installer holds the label upright and pulls the yellow activation tab. This activates the mechanism, and the label is immediately fixed onto the equipment. Now it's ready to monitor the shipment. If the equipment remains upright, the balls stay at the start position. But if the equipment tilts, gravity causes the ball to roll through the channel. The label records tilt angles of 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 50 degrees, 60 degrees, 70 degrees, and 80 degrees. Once the ball reaches the maximum angle experienced, it gets locked in place and cannot roll back. This creates a permanent record of the highest tilt during transportation. The label has to separate tracks. The upper track records tilting toward the left, while the lower track records tilting toward the right. For example, if the ball is locked at 40 degrees on the left and the right side ball is still at the start position, it means the equipment was tilted approximately 40 degrees toward the left during handling. This helps engineers determine whether the equipment needs inspection before installation. Excessive tilting can lead to oil leakage, bearing damage, shaft misalignment, internal component movement, reduced equipment life. The leaning label glass protects both the manufacturer and the customer by providing permanent evidence of how the equipment was handled during transportation. If the label shows excessive tilt, engineers can inspect the equipment before commissioning and prevent costly failures later. Although it's only a small label, the leaning label glass plays a critical role in ensuring heavy industrial equipment reaches its destination safely. It records excessive tilting, helps identify mishandling during transport, and prevents hidden damage from going unnoticed. If you found this explanation helpful, like the video, subscribe to Mechanical Muscle.